Hi, welcome to another segment of Kathy Brooke and Community. I am here with Juliana of Serenity at Home, and I met Juliana at one of my clients' homes when we were organizing for a move. And since then, you and I have worked together many times, and you've been a savior for me and my clients. So tell us how you got started and what you do.
Yeah, so I own a home organizing business, Serenity at Home. I've owned it for almost 4 years now. I work with clients doing traditional home organizing, any space in the house we do, garages, pantries, closets, you name it, we do it. And then we also work with clients who are in the process of moving, which is how we got connected. And so, yeah, we help with the process of getting them ready to move, and then on the back end when they're ready to unpack and get organized in their new home.
So tell us why we are here at the Container Store. You are the in-home organizing manager, and why are we here?
Yeah, so I have a relationship with the Container Store in Troy. I'm the in-home organizer, so anytime a customer of the store comes in and wants someone to come into their home and help them organize, the Container Store connects me with those clients of theirs.
That's a wonderful lead to have, that's for sure.
It sure is. It's a fabulous relationship and partnership for my company. I really appreciate it.
I think one of the best services that I have witnessed is when you come into a home that I need to help edit. And you come in and you meet with the seller and you help them put their boxes together, label them, take out what you don't need, you take them to Salvation Army or Goodwill. That to me is probably one of the greatest gifts because of time savings that you do all of that as
Absolutely,
well.
absolutely. And we're really just work with clients, and for many of those clients at that time, it is a difficult emotional time for them to oftentimes move out of those forever homes, and they have a lifetime of memories. And so we really come in, we have a process, we're efficient in helping them kind of purge and declutter and depersonalize their homes, but also just really compassionately working with them though, because it's an emotional time and we appreciate how hard that is for them.
And you and your team are so lovely to work with.
Oh, thank you.
So if you are in need, which we all are, whether you are moving or not moving, call Juliana. Her number is on the end of the reel. She has an amazing Instagram. Follow her on Instagram, and she will help you go from A to Z in packing, moving, organizing. And thank you so much. Thank you. Give her a call. She's amazing.
Thank you.